Stephanie.
What's going on, Steph?
Oh, not too much. Just getting ready for the holidays. What about you?
Nothing, I just love the holidays. What do we got right here?
Well, we have some garland, some yarn, some hot glue sticks, paper bags, a towel, and a toilet paper roll because it is 2020.
Cool, so what are we going to make today?
Well, the first thing we're going to make is a pillow.
Okay, cool.
Today we're going to show you how to make this holiday pillow, these festive trees, some easy palm hat garland, and snowflakes.
So, how do we get started with this?
Well, the first thing you're going to do is open up your towel, and you can get one of these towels at any Dollar Tree, and the design is on both sides. The next thing you're going to do is take your glue and put it around 3 of the edges.
So after we do that, what do I do?
You're just going to fold it in half and then firmly press the edges down. And we're going to give it about 5 minutes for that to set. Next, you're just going to reach inside and turn it right side out so you can see the design. Glue might still be a little wet, so you might need to hold the seams, but you're just going to go ahead and push out all of the edges and then lay it flat.
Just like that. What do we do next?
Next, you're going to take the stuffing and put it into the pillow. And then once that is inside, you're going to go ahead and seal up the last edge.
So we're just going to set it down and leave it overnight, and it will be perfect. And on to the next one with Steph. So Steph, what is that you have?
Well, this is a tomato cage because we have a garden here at Eau Claire Park. So since it's winter and we're not growing anything, we're going to repurpose it for a new project. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a couple rubber bands. We're going to bring this down to our own height. We're going to hold it together, and then we're just going to put the rubber bands around it to hold this together to create our tree shape. Like that. The next thing we're going to use is some garland that you can get at any dollar store. If you want to get fancier garland, you can, but this is super affordable. For the other trees that you saw earlier, it takes about 12 to 15 of them. And you're just going to start at the top. This has a wire already in it. You're going to wrap it around. And then just continue your way around the tree. And you can do this as tight or as loose as you prefer.
Steph, that looks great.
Thanks. In just about 10 minutes, this is your finished product.
And do you think you could do anything else with any other holidays?
You know what, Steph? That's a great idea because they have garland for Easter, they have garland for Halloween. They have all different kinds, so you can multi-purpose this any time of the year. So we're going to make our little palm hats. And again, the string you can get at a dollar store, toilet paper roll you might have laying around the house. And that's really all that you need besides some scissors. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to cut some small circles like this out of the toilet paper roll. And I found you need about 35 to 40 pieces of string, and you can either wrap it around a book or your hand. And then could you cut right here for me? Perfect. And one more right here. So you're going to take your string and we're just going to start making loops around our little hoop. So we're just going to take a piece of string, we're going to fold it in half, try to get the ends even. Take our little cord here and just do a little knot. Pull it through. And keep making them like that. All right, we have just about one more to put on here. Again, making sure it's even. Loop, pull it through, and fill in that last space. Then we're going to take all the string, push it through. We're going to take another piece of yarn, lay it flat, put our palm hat on top of it, and just tie a little knot to hold it all together. So then you're just going to take whatever ribbon, yarn, or string you might have around the house. You're going to go ahead, create another loop, and then once you are all done, you're going to have this really cute, festive winter hat garland. All right, and the final craft we're going to be making today are these snowflakes. They're super cute and rustic. They're a great decoration. And all you need for them is paper bags, scissors, and hot glue.
And all these are under $1.
All right, so you're going to take each paper bag individually with the flap facing you, and you're going to make a T shape with your glue. And then you're going to go ahead and stick the other bag on top and just keep doing that process. After we have between 6 to 8 bags in our last little bit, we're going to seal it up, and then we're going to take our scissors and we're just going to cut out a design. So you can cut out however you want. Obviously you don't want to cut through your glue. We're going to get an extra glue stick ready. And then once you have your cuts done, you're just going to go ahead and open it up. And we're going to put one more bit of glue to seal it. And then you can just take yarn, string again, you can punch a little hole in it, however you want. You could loop them together to make another type of garland, or depending on what kind of board you have, you can just staple it. And there you go. Thanks for joining us today at Eau Claire Park, and we hope you try these crafts with your family.